Hello there, I'm a member of the training team, and today I'm going to show you how to customize XMR buttons in the system. You can customize these buttons to meet the specific needs of your practice in our system. This flexibility allows you to create your XMR notes to specifically address the particular problem that the patient has. Here's our mock patient's travel card. For example, say that your patient only experiences pain with activity. You may want to add pain only with activity as an option under Other. Select the area for Other on the patient's travel card by clicking on it. Then click on Customize Notes. Click on the button you wish to create a new button next to and a window will pop up. Click on Add and create the customized button that you want in this window. If you create the button at the login level, the person who created it can see it and no one else. We recommend that one person should create the buttons under their login. They will then open a task to the help desk and ask for the customizations to be shared with everyone else in the practice. Please note, we cannot merge two customized button sets together. I'll type in a display name that tells me what the new choice is, pain only with activity. The display name will show up in the pop-up when you first click on the button in the travel card. The short name will show up when you first open the travel card. I'll use an abbreviation in my short name. Make sure these abbreviations are very short, as it will be cut off if it exceeds the width of the button. In the narrative section, you can type in longer notes if you need to. What you type in here will appear in the narrative section of the travel card. This is what appears on the actual medical record that may be sent to insurance. Keep in mind the system will create a narrative by adding filler words to the selections you've made. This narrative should fit in with the longer narrative section that the system automatically constructs when you use XMR notes. I'll type in my narrative here. Please note, do not put in punctuation at the end of the narrative. The system will add punctuation automatically. You will then choose where the new button will appear. Choose from this drop-down whether the new button should appear to the right or left of the original button that you clicked on. If you want to add in a website link or other notation pointing to a source of information relevant to the condition, then you can enter that here in the citation and citation link fields. When you are done, click on the Save button at the bottom left-hand corner of the window. If you want to stop creating this button, click on the Cancel button. When you are done customizing, click on the Done Customizing button on the left-hand side of the screen. You can modify a button that you have already created by clicking on the Customize Notes button, clicking on the item again, and working in the same window. You can tell when you have entered customizing mode when the background is yellow. However, this time select Modify and you can make changes here to the button that you selected. The only thing that you cannot change is the short name and the direction. I will show you later how you can move a button around. When you are done, click Save, and if you decide not to modify the button, click Cancel. You cannot delete buttons that you created, but you can hide them if you need to. We recommend hiding all buttons that you don't want first before adding new ones. To hide a button, click on Hide while you are still in this window. The button that you were just working on is now hidden in the pop-up. If you want to hide another one, then click on it and again select Hide. To display a button again, click on another button, then click on Show Hidden, and select the button that you want to unhide from the drop-down. Then click Save. That button is now an option again in this window. Please note, hiding and unhiding buttons is the only way that you can move them around. To get the window to look the way that you want, we recommend hiding all the buttons and then unhiding them in the order that you want them to appear. This would only be necessary to rearrange a large number of buttons. Click on Done Customizing when you are done working in this window. Now you can also create new tabs as well. The process is similar to creating a new button. To create a new tab, click on the Customize Notes button. Then click on the tab and a window will pop up. Click on the Add button. Type in a display name and a short name like you did for the buttons. The display name is the name that will appear on the tab once you add it. Then choose the direction of the tab. Finally, click on the Save button to save your work, or the Cancel button to cancel it. I'm going to save our example. Once you are done, click on Done Customizing. You can change if the tabs go across the top or down the side like I have them. Ask your coach about customizing this feature if you want to. If you have a large number of columns in a tab, the vertical tabs may format the buttons better on smaller screens. Well, that's all there is to this video. We hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, go ahead and click like at the bottom of the page. Goodbye for now and have a great day.